Here's everything you need to know about the Smart Fill tool in CorelDraw. And not only you will know how to use it, you will also know when to use it. Let's go straight into it. We are into CorelDraw, and the first thing you have to know is where the Smart Fill is located. Normally I will use the shortcut, but quick disclaimer, it doesn't have a shortcut, and so we are going to do it manually. And the Smart Fill is located with the interactive fill tool. That is, if you click and hold, or if you click this down arrow right here, you can see the Smart Fill. So how the Smart Fill works is to create shapes or paths around certain boundaries, and I'll explain this with an example. So this is a structure of a logo design I made. So we are going to create in the shape of the logo. So that means that we are going to click inside the boundaries of this structure. And if you want to follow along, you can pause here and create the same structure as mine, or you can create yours. Alright, select the Smart Fill tool and click anywhere inside the shapes to create your logo. We created this using the Smart Fill, and if you did notice, you will notice that the Smart Fill comes with a fill and an outline. And if you look closely, clicking onto the Smart Fill, you can see the property options which say fill option and outline. Here you can change the variable of this. So let's change this to something else. Let's go to the fill and give it another color. You can see another color is being created on top of the previous one we had with the same outline, which is 0.7 pixel outline. If we want to remove the outline of the Smart Fill, we can also do the same by clicking here, no outline. So that is, when we create the parts or the shapes, we have no outline made, just the fill is being created. And you can do as well for the fill also to remove the fill. Surely we have come to the end of this video, but if you did notice something, that all these shapes are all individual shapes, no collective shape here, and you can't easily drag them together. So this is a bonus part where I will show you what you can do with this. So if you want to turn these several boxes or objects you have created into one, hold shift and select every one of them. As you can see, all this line, we are going to wedge all of them, and to do that, you can see in the properties bar, combine wedge, and we are going to click on wedge. So if we click on it, they are one shape altogether. So that is the bonus tip from here, and don't worry, we are going to talk about that part in another video. So yeah, this is all you need to know about the Smart Fill tool, everything about it, and how you can use them to create designs. Alright, if you watch up to here, you can comment in the comment section wedge, so as to confuse the rest that didn't watch up to this point. Subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found this helpful. I'm Frank, and I will see you in the next one. Shalom.